Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video I will be guiding you like how to use IAM role with EC2 instance. So what is the main purpose of using role? We can give different kind of permission instead of why we are using role. So providing role to any EC2 instance or any services is easy and safest way to go ahead. So yeah, so if we assign and attach any role to any services or any EC2 instance, then it will allow that service or EC2 instance to access those services without using access key and secret key. So suppose if we are giving secret key and access key, so anyone can log into that server and he can retrieve our access key and secret key. So that's not the exact way and not the exact scenario, I can say, that what we are using in our organization. So we are using AWS IAM role. So let me show you how we can use IAM role with EC2 instance for AWS S3. So first let me launch one EC2 instance. So let me name it test. Okay. So I will be selecting the key area and just launch. So yeah, that's all. Now let me go and create a role. Okay. Now click on create role. So service, we are going to use this role for EC2. So we have to select EC2 here. So we have to click on and choose a service for, then we have to S3. No. Okay. So here we will be selecting S3. So we will be giving, like I am giving AWS S3 full permission. So yeah, so here it is. So Amazon S3 full permission. Okay, so we have to click on next and we have to give the role name. So I will be giving like demo role for S3. Okay, so here is the policy, role policy, it's assuming. So we have to now click on create role. Okay, so now it's done. Okay, so we have to go here and click on the instance. So yeah, it's running. So here connect button is not yet visible, so let's wait for a few seconds. Yeah, now we can connect. So which IAM role is attached to any EC2, how we can check that? So we have to click on security and here it's showing no IAM role have been attached to this EC2 instance. So if any if any IAM role is attached, then we can see here. So let me connect to that EC2 instance now and click on connect. So I will be showing you like how to list the bucket which is available, and I can perform any action like create bucket, get bucket, delete bucket, because I have given the full AWS S3 permission to that specific role. So let me log in as a root user. Okay, so AWS, we have to install AWS CLI. So I will be so we are downloading the AWS CLI on this EC2 instance, so we can run the AWS CLI command. Okay, so now we are going to attach that IAM role to this EC2 instance. Okay, so go to the action, go to security, go to modify IAM role. Here we can select demo role for S3 whatever we have created just now. I can select update IAM role. Okay, so now go to here and AWS run AWS S3 ls. So yeah, see, it's list out the bucket we have in our S3. So yeah, I have 2 bucket. I can show you as well here. So S3, let me show you. See, we have 2 buckets, right? So we didn't provide any access key and secret key. Just by using the AWS role, IAM role, we are able to access whatever we want. We can perform the any action like create bucket, get bucket, update bucket, delete bucket, what kind of permission actually we are providing to that SSP user, and through using IAM role, and he can perform. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like my video. So I will be uploading more videos soon. Have a nice day. Bye.